Alright guys, we got fuel. Everything's good. We're going to stay in the pattern. We're going to do some night landings here at page KFMY. Runway 5 is active. And yeah. Page ground, Mooney 4566 Hotel.
Wind 070 at 7. 4566 Hotel, go ahead.
So I'm at self-serve here at the southeast ramp. Got India. I'd like to stay in the pattern.
66 Hotel, make the left turn on Delta, join Alpha, taxi to 5.
Left Delta Alpha and then to 566 Hotel. Alright, let's go. See how good my night landings are. Alright guys, engine run-up is complete. At the top, we're going to do a couple touch and goes, night. And we'll see what happens. If I still got it. Nah, we should be good. Should be good. Alright. Trim flaps. Good. Page out, Mooney 4566 Hotel, holding short 5, ready for departure.
66 Hotel, clear for takeoff, runway 5, make right close traffic.
Right close traffic, clear for takeoff, 566 Hotel. Alright, right. Picture is in. Fuel pump is on. Cowl flaps are open. Right. Okay. See how this first one turns out. Alright. Always put the heading bug. Runway heading. Fuel pump. Yep. Pop is all the way. Cowl flaps open. Secure. Seatbelt. Here we go. Airspeed's up. 50, 60, 65, rotate. Right, close traffic. Flaps coming up. Manifold pressure coming back, 26. Alright, here we go. Alright, 200 before 1,000. Been a while since I actually done a couple touch and goes here at night. So we're gonna see how this turns out. In a Mooney at night. Down. Flaps coming down. Again, this feels kind of awkward since I haven't done in the pattern at night, so 800 doing 89. Gears down, verified green. Got the runway in sight. Level it off. Bring back the power just a tad bit. I'm gonna keep the manifold pressure about 16. Bring the flaps, full flaps, trim up, trim up, trim up, trim up. Good. Alright, there's the runway. Gears down, mixture's in, fuel pump is still on, verified green, green, here we go. Doing about 80 knots right now. And yeah, full flaps are in. Oil pressure, oil temp, fuel pressure. I got the cow flaps halfway. Nice and cool right here in Florida. All right, let's see how this first one feels. $75. Pull back the power a little bit. Trim it up just a tad bit. Verify the gears down one more time. We are at 69. There we go. All right, here we go. Gonna roll it up here just a little bit. And here we go. And we're up. Gears coming back up. So I roll just a little bit, put the flaps up to take off configuration, and we're up and running again. That one felt pretty good. Go for number 2. All right, 200 feet, 300 feet. Flaps coming up again. There we go. Manifold pressure, bring it back to about 26. Keep my fuel pump on. All right, level up the wings. And here we go. Okay. All right, midfield for 5. Here we go. Doing about 120, 128. I want to try something a little bit different now. I'm not going to configure the flaps just yet. Lower the gears. I'm going to stretch out the downwind just a tad bit. And this time around, we're going to configure it when I'm in short final, put the gears down and put the flaps down just a test that out. See how that feels. So we should be good now. Right base. There you go. We're doing 115 now. I put the gears down now while I'm in the turn. How that feels. Gears down, verified. I felt the drag. And now we're
Hotel, clear touch and go 5.
clear touch and go 5, 66 hotel. Doing flaps half. Here we go. Fuel pump is on. Prop is all the way in. Alright, so right now we're a little bit high, but that's okay. Put here my HSI. Visual 5. Activate. I'm gonna switch up my V-Log here to GPS. Get the virtual glide. Alright, here we go. Gears down, verified down. Everything is good, mixture is in. 300 feet. Let's see how number 2 feels. And again, I'm going to touch down, roll just a tad bit, and put this bad boy into, because we're doing half. We're doing 50% flap, so we should be good. See how this one feels. Here we go. 80 knots. Looking good. Gears down, verified down, one more time. Alright, 77. Got the runway. Pull the power back, trim it back just a tad bit. 70. Here we go. Real float right there. There we go. Alright, configuration's good, everything's good. And here we go. Number 2. And she wants to just fly right away. Alright, gears coming up. Gears unsafe. Good. And I'm gonna do I'll do a full stop here. Tower 66 Hotel, next one's gonna be a full stop.
Roger.
Okay, here we go. Manifold pressure, bring that bad boy back to about 26. RPM is right about 26. Flaps coming up, 400 feet. And we're gonna start our turn. We're doing this here, we're gonna go ahead and do CDI here. There we go. Okay. Alright, it's time to change the fuel here.
Page Tower, Archer 383 Papa, 9 nautical miles to the east, requesting touch and go, runway 5.
83 Pop, roger. Continue westbound, join the left downwind for runway 5.
Westbound, join left downwind for runway 5, 838 Papa.
Alright, cool. Very nice. Alright, 1,000 feet. We are almost mid-field, and we're gonna configure this bad boy, beam the numbers. Alright, we're going to go ahead and configure them right now. So we're going to put the gears down now. Flaps 50%. See how that landing feels here, the last one. 110 knots. And here we go. I'm gonna stretch it out just a little bit more. Give me some room to work with. All right, here we go. Right base 5. I'm gonna bring down the manifold pressure to about 16, and I'm gonna leave it to about 16. I'm not gonna touch it, and see how that works. 16, and right now doing 95. And once we get on short final, I will put full flaps and keep the manifold pressure at 16 all the way. All right, full flaps. So what I do is flaps coming down, flaps coming down, trim until the flaps stop, and I stop the trim. That sets me pretty nicely with the airplane trimmed. All right, so we are at about 17 manifold pressure. Let me bring it back a little bit because we're zooming down. All right, gears down, verified green, verified. Mixture is in, fuel pump is on. Right now we are blazing at 96. Pretty fast, actually. I'm gonna pull back here to power. And trim. All right, 80. Ram it up a little bit more. We're at full flaps. 75. 70. Power to idle. There we go. That one was a little bit bumpy, but that's okay. All right. Perfect. Perfect because...
Straight ahead, right turn Delta 2 to parking.
I should have had a little 2 parking, 66 hotel.
Page Tower, Archer reporting left midfield.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed that little touch and go on a Mooney at night.
38 Pop is clear touch and go, runway 5.
Clear touch and go, runway 5, 838 Papa.
All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back.